Welcome back to Julie's Wreath Boutique. I'm really excited about this video because I'm doing something I've never done before and I want to share it with you. XTool just sent me a beautiful laser called the XTool M2. It's amazing. It can print on fabric, on wood, you name it, it can do it. It can engrave on cups, on wood. There's endless possibilities with that. It can cut felt, it can make stickers, it can cut all types of different wood. And listen, I've never had a machine like this, so I've never experienced it, and I just want to thank XTool for allowing me to experience this. Now, one of the things that as wreath makers, we need signs, right? So my husband helped me put the machine together. We're going to show you a little bit of the behind the scenes footage, and we came up with this side, and I think it's super beautiful. It might be a little backwards because of the camera, but I had so much fun making this. This says welcome on it, and I am just amazed that I mean that's the wood, that I did something like this. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to show you the steps that we took. I ended up purchasing this particular design from Adam and downloading it to the XTool design space area, and we uploaded it. It was so easy to do, and you're going to see the magic happen. And then I'm going to show you how I painted it and how we got it. Now, I'm no expert painter, but I think she turned out pretty good. What do you think? And this size, the perfect size for a wreath. So let's get started and let's go learn how to work the XTool M2. I'm excited. Putting this machine together was really easy. My husband helped me with it. I'm not a very mechanical person, but this was probably a little easier than I thought it would be. He made an engraving. This was the first time through, just kind of using it, and we wanted to see what it was like. But this is the project we're working on tonight, and we were so mesmerized by this. We're both standing over the XTool, like looking at it and like, oh, this is so cool. And it really is cool. And the things that you can do with this, I'm only getting a tip of the iceberg here, guys. This is me never having used one of these machines before. We were able to put this sign together. I purchased a downloadable design. You can always make your own designs, but I purchased a downloadable design off of Atom. It's ATOM, and it works lovely with XTool, and you're able to download this, put this in their design space, and really make a beautiful sign. So we got that cut out. So what are we going to do next? I actually purchased this wood from Hobby Lobby. So if you're wondering where would I get the wood, it's not that hard to find. This particular sign we're going to paint, but the wonderful thing about the XTool M2, it can print on your signs too. And we're going to do that soon because I have seen some amazing designs and I have to share them with you. But for the first one, we're going to just do it ourselves. So I just had some of this glaze that I've had on hand for a long time. Again, you can use stain, you can use watered down paint, you can use whatever you want. This is just kind of like, let's look and see. And I like the little paper plates because they're just a really good foundation for me, and I don't get paint on my surface of my table there. So we did this first coat, and then we actually did the welcome part with the same water-based stain that I used previously. But then the real fun is painting the sign. Now, guys, I'm not a painter. I've never been a painter. I have friends who do this for a living, and they can do all the shadow, they can do all the things, and I need to learn how to do that. And I did hate covering up this natural wood grain, but I feel like it came together at the end. This is just chalk paint that I'm using, and I just took my time. And again, you could choose whatever colors you want for this project, but this is more of a 3D look for a sign. So I feel like this is just kind of, other than like a sublimated sign, this kind of takes it to a whole new level as far as something for your wreath. Now, a lot of people get these machines and they use them to make products and sell their products. And if you're just like, I just want to get something that is something I can put in my craft room or even my garage, we connected ours to an air purifier that came from XTool. So this is all in the studio. So it's great as far as taking up space in my studio. It doesn't have a big footprint. And that was always one of my issues with one of these laser engraver machines, because I was like, okay, I don't know that I have the room or the space, but this is really good. Now, all we're doing is painting pink, green, and then the stain. Those are the only three colors. And this was super simple to put together. I just like this glue that I've had on hand. I learned this from another creative who uses wood cutouts, and she does all this. And so we're going to put this wood glue on the back. We're going to add it to our round here. This is about 11 inches in diameter, maybe 11 and a half, but it's a really good size. It's not going to overpower your wreath. And then we're going to take our welcome and put it on. And I just think this turned out so fun, so pretty. And guys, this did not take much time at all to cut and paint. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making something new. Now listen, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many things I want to do with this. The other day, I even saw a video how you can print on like a tea towel or napkins, and you could engrave on little wooden coasters, and you can make your next event very specialized. So I'm pretty excited about all the possibilities, and I want to share them with you. So if you're not following yet, make sure to hit the follow button. Make sure to check out the description box below to get your own XTool M2, and we will learn this together step by step. We'll see you next time in Julie's Wreath Boutique. Bye-bye.